Hi everybody and welcome back. Now in the last lecture we used the if, elif, else chain, and it's only appropriate to use this chain when you just need one test to pass. When Python finds one test that passes in your if, elif, else chain, it skips the rest. But sometimes you will need to check all of the conditions of interest. When you need to do this, you can use a series of if statements. This makes sense when more than one condition can and must be true. So let's look at an example. So let's first create a list. Okay, so we're going to create a list called booking details. And as always, open it with square brackets and we're going to give it the first value of Tony. Then this is a booking detail for a cinema. So let's go middle row because I like sitting in the middle row. And we are going to be watching this film in screen 2. Okay, perfect. And let's close off our list with a square bracket, not a curly bracket. Now, so if Tony in booking details print welcome to Udemy Cinema. Okay, good stuff. Next, if middle row in booking details, we then print your seat number is 010 in the middle row. Perfect. So I think you get an idea of what we're doing here. And just let me close that with that. There we go. And our final if screen 2 in booking details print your film is in screen 2. And let's close it up. There we go. So we start off with a list containing our user's booking details. The first if statement checks to see if the person collecting the ticket is the person who booked it online. If so, a message is printed welcoming them. And our tests continue. Our next if statement checks to see if the middle row was booked by the same user. If so, our program continues to the next test. And we then check to make sure that the screen they booked, screen 2, is in our booking details. So what we're doing here is we're checking all the details in our booking details list are confirmed during our tests. And each time they are confirmed, our program continues to the next test and so on and so on. So let's run this and see how it looks. First we save and then we run. Welcome to Udemy Cinema. Your seat number is 010 in the middle row. Your film is in screen 2. Perfect. Thanks for listening and I'll see you in the next lecture.